Hi, I'm Sasha Varlamov, co-founder and CEO of EXLskills, and this is Code-A-Do, our smart online learning platform and our interactive robotics kit. The first time I tried to learn coding was when I was 7 years old with a Java book, and needless to say, I didn't get very far. And actually, I tried multiple times using that traditional method before I had a project that I was really excited about. That was the on-ramp for me to learn programming, mostly by myself. Just by reading online forums, and over many weeks and months, I was able to create a product that I really enjoyed, a game controller for my computer, with code that I had written. And that was a really exciting experience for me to be able to do something all on my own in a very independent way, while at the same time learning programming. And that was the foundation that I used to actually get my first developer job at just the age of 15. That experience that I had at just 11 years old is what inspired me to create EXLskills Code-A-Do. This platform enables you to have that same exact experience that I had, except with a guided learning platform and hardware that works right out of the box. The first experience is part 1. This is where we introduce the mission to Mars. So you'll be able to just go, click into the exploration, and you get started. You're guided through your own personalized learning experience. So depending on what you want to learn and how you want to learn it, you go through at your own pace. For instance, I can ask the platform different questions about what will I learn, or I can just drop in and start learning. At the end of this, while each child has their own experience, they'll still learn all the same core skills by the end of level 1. Moving through, there's videos, text, and they can also turn on audio mode to have the content read back to them. This is an example of going through the exploration and meeting our instructor, Captain Fizzbuzz, who provides the support to your student as they move throughout the platform. Then we also have a live chat function, so you can receive help from a real person at any time while you're working on the course. Now, when it comes to uploading code, let me fast forward to one of the explorations where we're coding right from the beginning. Here, this is the exploration where the child learns how to make the robot drive forward through Python. Here in the text box on the laptop, they can type drive forward in real Python code with 30 to make the robot go 30 centimeters forward. And my robot is connected to the computer via USB. I click on test run, and the code moves directly onto the robot. In fact, the code is uploaded, so I can even turn the robot off, place it anywhere, turn it on, and it will run my code. Now, the tablet is an even simpler experience. Since it's connected directly via Bluetooth, I just open up the EXLskills app, click into Code-A-Do level 1. I can move to select whichever exploration I want to go to, and I'll be able to write code, same as I would on my laptop, real Python code. See, we have the same experience on mobile. I'll drop into lesson 8. And I'll be typing the same code on my phone as I'm able to do on my laptop. Which means regardless of what kind of device you have, you're still able to do real coding, which is groundbreaking. Because today, if you wanted to write code on your phone, you're pretty much stuck. And it's connected, I click test run, and it immediately runs on the robot. And then let's say I wanted to be creative and make it go in part of a box shape. Well, I can just type the code for this on my phone. And as you see, it's pretty straightforward and fast, even on a mobile phone, to be typing code, really for the first time ever. I can make the robot do this shape. Part of a box. And this is actually one of the explorations that your child would be doing in the Code-A-Do platform. You might be wondering if all that this robot can do is move forwards, backwards, and turn around in circles, but there's actually much more that comes with the core platform that you receive in level 1. First of all, you have two LEDs as well as two light sensors on the bottom, as well as a speaker and an array of ports that you can use to plug other sensors, lights and gadgets into your robot that you can then control with code. All of this you can do as you progress throughout the different levels. And let me show you a bit of what you can do throughout the different levels, including the different lights coming on, going backwards, and all of this is done via Bluetooth, and we can even make the robot sing. Now, in addition to all the software that you're able to program on the robot, you also have different hardware that you can plug into the robot to create different shapes other than just this rover with wheels. You can plug in different pieces onto the top of the robot as well as onto the wheel bay to make and actuate different things. Many robot platforms allow you to go in and control the robot and make it do something, but very few actually provide the ability to learn the code behind it. So with the EXLskills robot, everything that you're doing with the robot is with code, and at the end of all the different levels, you actually master the skills that it takes to do those specific routines with the robot, all coding in real Python on your own. We started EXLskills to make a difference in the lives of kids all around the world, to ignite that spark that it takes to create the creators of tomorrow. And we know that the Code2Do platform is exactly what it takes to do that. So I hope that you all can join me in that future.